Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Even I am doing very well. And today in this video, a small vlog of going to temple. We are going to temple all together. So I dressed up like this, and this is this kurta. And first time I'm wearing kurta in UK, literally. And I got ready like this. Not much makeup and just a normal makeup. That's it. So guys, a simple ready, and I'm like this now. Yeah, a small kurta. So guys, I'm going to temple. I'll take a vlog now. I'll take all the videos and just see how the temple will be in the UK. So that's it for this vlog today, and just see how the gods are. And I think this is a good opportunity for you to see how the temples are in UK. We found only one temple now. It's the Shiva temple. We are going there, and maybe we may go further temples in further. And if we go to any tourist place, I'm sure I'll take a vlog for you. Just if you're watching my video for the first time, just click the subscribe button at the bottom of my video and bell button beside there, and just keep watching my vlogs and you'll get a notification as soon as I upload a new video, guys. So thank you so much, and now the vlog continues. Just keep watching. Done. So guys, this is on the way to the temple. So it's not very far. We thought we tried to follow Google Maps, but we felt like it is very far. But it is very near to us, and it's not even 5 minutes walk. And I'll show you now where the temple is, and you can see the plants and trees over there. Every plants are turning their color, and it's autumn there now, and you can never find this kind of very good nature. And last year I missed this season, but now I'm not gonna miss. I'm gonna take too many pictures here. So this is the temple what we are going to enter. You can find the temple as office, isn't it? Yeah. This is like an office, but we need to go upstairs. But once we go there, you can just see how they are. So we need to leave our footwear down and go upstairs, and you can find the temple. That won't be like a temple, it'll be like an office, but still it's a temple. See, look here. So in UK temples, normally we find all the gods at one place. Yeah. So we have Ganesha here, Lord Shiva in the middle, and Ayyappa, Kumaraswamy, and everyone. And we have seats like this to sit. And if you don't feel like sitting there, you can sit downstairs, because we Indians like to sit down before God. So we did that, and there are some other who are doing Omam. So we wanted to wait there and see how they do, and how the Pantulu or Pujari will do Omam in UK. So he's very good, like he did very well, because usually but it is same like India. He's doing very nice, and he is telling mantra of all the gods. I think I have never felt difference of Indian Pantulu with UK, and I understood that Indian Pantulus can go and stay and live in UK now, because in every town we have temples like this. It's very good that he's still following being in UK also. So we all together went, and we stayed there till the Omam get over, because we had no work first thing. So we thought even it's 8 o'clock we can stay there. The time when we went there, it's like 5:30, 6 o'clock. Till 8 we stayed there, and everybody, they spoke to us very well. And they have Navagraha also. You can see here how Navagraha are. They are doing same like India what we do, because I does this in India, and now they are doing there. I found same. And he's very good, like he's very peace, doing everything together. So they are family. So we spoke to them after Omam, and they said they are staying here since 14 years, and we had a very good talk. And that's it, guys, and this is the puja and it continues now, because I just wanted to show how the temples are here and how puja they do. So you can see Lord Shiva here, how good he is. I liked him very much. And after everything, we inquired that this puja, this temple is his Pantulu's own. And I'm very proud of Indians now. He is from Chennai. So he does harati for each and every god at the end, and that's it. We had a talk, we had some prasad and everything, and we left for the home. So when we went, it was 5:30 and very light, and it's dark now. So but it was raining a little, and small breeze. That's it. So this is in the morning. So we came, we had food and went to sleep, and this is morning. I just wanted to add my morning routine to this vlog. So I got up, you can see it's very dark and it's automatic light. It takes some time to on, but some lights they switch on very fast. Sometimes it happens. And this is our kitchen, so messy, isn't it? So they have washed everything. We all together cook, wash, and this is our stove, gas stove, and it's an automatic gas stove. Good, they gave stove here. Usually in UK we have inductions. So I'm gonna make breakfast now in the morning. Everybody are sleeping, so I thought let's just make some my routine malt, which we drink every day. Me and my friend will have malt every day in the morning. So I just want to show you how I make. So I take a dish like this and I put some water in that first, a little water, because I'm making only for me. So I'll show some powder to you. Let this water boil. So this ragi powder, I just want to mix in the water. I'll take a glass and mix the powder in the water, because there should not be any lumps. If you add directly, there will be lumps in the water. It will be hard to break that lump. So this is the powder. So this powder is made by my mother-in-law. So my attama makes very good powder like this. So this is made of 32 items of proteins, and I don't know what the items are, but I'll try to make a video of it when she makes for me again, because you're out of time and I was so busy in packing, I could not see how she made that powder. But she added so many things, but the main ingredient in that is ragi. So this is ragi malt. So I mixed it up, and I don't add anything now. Let it boil properly. So I don't let it boil. Usually people make it boil for so long, it becomes very hard when you switch off and when it cool down, but I don't do that. So this is our kitchen. I just want to show my face in the morning, how I look after my workout. So this is after my workout, and we have all these things, Kellogg's and everything are available here. So by the time it get boils, I just want to show our kitchen. That's it. And guys, it takes some time, and we are very lucky as we have a gas stove. It takes very less time. If it is an induction, till it get heat up, it takes so much time. But now we don't need to wait much. It's like we are cooking in India with a gas cylinder. So finally what by the time it get boiled up, and I just want to boil it for 1 more minute, it's already done. But by the time I'll take the curd, we can use milk also. If you're using milk, you can add sugar in this ragi malt liquid, or if you're using curd, you can just make curd and put some salt in malt liquid, or you can also mix it in the curd. You can do whatever you want. So this is the curd, you can see. So this is a Greek style curd. We'll have a very creamy curd, but this is not a homemade curd, please understand, because it's not like India. It won't be like hot here. I cannot make curd. Lactic acid will not form. So I added a pinch of salt in this. What I usually do when I mix with the milk is I add sugar of 1 spoon and a pinch of salt. It tastes very, very good. But when you drink with buttermilk, it gives very cold to your body, so it makes your body inside very cool. So I usually use buttermilk, then I don't add sugar, but still you can add if you like the taste. There is nothing wrong, you can drink as however you like. So this is ready and I'm leaving now, and I'll have in my room. So after this I had shower, and I saw outside it was raining, and a small rain, so we took our umbrellas, we three took our own umbrellas, and we started going out. We wanted to just go and shop out in rain too. I know it's not good, but we need to experience all type of climates in when we are in UK. So we thought, we took our umbrellas and we just went out. We experienced the breeze. It was very good. So we went to some places like, so this is our way outside the accommodation, and we are on the way to some other shops. So it's good. It was very good going out with the friends. So we usually go twice or thrice in a week. As it is the beginning now, we are going too much, and maybe we may reduce it when we have our own works, but still we don't want to leave this. So my friend Hasha is saying hi to everyone, and we have walked. We went out to do some bank work, so we finished. After that we went for shopping. So this is the shopping area. I've shown you in so many videos before, but we did shopping today. I tried to take video inside, but it is not now due to social distancing, the situation is very bad. We cannot take videos inside. We can take, it's not something like crime to take videos inside, but still I didn't focus much on that, because here social distancing is very much, because the cases are rising very hard. And we explored some other new way. We wanted to go to Iceland, where we get many things. We wanted to go to new shops. So this is a Superdrug, where you get so many this is my favorite shop, along with Boots, because you get too many cosmetics here. You just have to have money, that's it. But you will get like 20,000-30,000 of foundations also. So we just have to need some money to buy that. But whatever I bought last year with my husband, I have that to use it now in UK. But still I may buy some other from Boots and Superdrug, because there may be some other new brands launched, because it's been a year. I just want to explore the new brands also. So we just want to check the prices, how they are, because the prices of some fruits are different from different places. Last time when I showed in my video, there was some Coventry market, isn't it? There the prices are very less, but we found here some of the grapes and some fruits are lesser than that Coventry market. So we just wanted to check it so that we can keep an idea where to buy and other things. So this is the way of shopping, where we find Indian saloons also, and this is a full of saloons and some kind of things to buy. But we found many saloons here. I don't know whether we'll go for saloons or not, but once I wanted to try UK saloon. I'll check out the new place with cheaper, because for girls hair cutting costs too much here. Not more like India, but still it costs more. Like if you pay 1,000 rupees for some haircut, here it will be something like 2,000, that is of 20 pounds. So I think, but I'm sure I'll try. So we are reaching to Iceland, so we are almost here near Iceland, because we wanted to just explore what are good at Iceland to buy. Actually, Iceland is famous for some frozen foods. Everything is £1 here, frozen foods. If you're a guy, or there are some girls who don't cook, so for them this is a heaven place, because we find everything frozen items here. Just spend 20 pounds, and 20 pounds or 30 pounds here, you will get a lot many frozen things you can have for at least 15 to 20 days. for alone, I'm saying. So we found it good and we did lots of shopping. You can see we are carrying so many covers. We had milk, some kind of eggs, and which are very cheap here. So we are finally heading back. So on the way we thought we can check out Poundland too. So this is a Poundland where you find everything for £1. But there are some other things where we have which are very costly, like clothes, because £1 you cannot get the clothes anywhere in UK. So we are going back. I was just wanted to show some kind of shops here, and we were having fun. We were laughing because we walked too much today. We didn't have any plan. Guys, thank you so much for patiently watching my vlog. I'll be back with a new other vlog. Until then, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.